Shesha. Welcome to the course, and in this video we are going to take a look at how you can utilize the course to the fullest. The first thing is you need to create a GitHub account and visit the link github.com/priyankgada. Once you come to this link, you will be presented with different course, and depending on your course you can enroll in any of the one that you like. So it will have details like about the course, after the sessions, and you can also connect to the instructor by clicking on the links. Each course is divided into multiple modules. For example, if you are watching the first lecture of a certain module, you can just click on the link provided in the readme file. You can proceed with one module to another module and one lecture to another. All the resources will also be available inside the module itself. If you have a GitHub account, you can just click on the code section over here and download the zip file to download the whole course. This will only download the course and the modules. You can also click on fork and you can clone the thing so that you have it once you want to repeat and re-understand it.